Business Central, due to the nature of posting of documents to the general ledger, if you wish to reverse an invoice, you have to do a credit memo. Credit memos are referred to different things within different regions. However, in Australia, it's called a sales credit adjustment note. You can, in your region, just search credit memo, and it will provide you the different types of credit memos that you can actually apply. So for this one, we're going to focus on a sales credit adjustment note or a credit memo. In this credit memo that we've created for this example, it looks very similar to a sales invoice, with the exception to there's an adjustment details that appears here in the header. If you look, it's empty, but it has the customer already allocated. We will now go and prepare and get lines to reverse. Here, we can choose posted shipments, invoices, return receipts, credit adjustment notes. Once you select the item you wish to credit, press OK. This will load not only the item but also the notes and bring in the item quantity that we wish to turn around and credit for the particular location at the cost of which was on the invoice. A few things that are required here is the reason code. Why are we giving this credit? And the second is you can then select what you apply this credit to. If this credit is not applied, it will just sit on the account as an unallocated credit. However, if applied, it immediately receipts credit off one of the outstanding invoices that the customer owes. Once completed, I'm going to call this return. Once completed, we should be able to go post, and the credit note is now created.